Best portable laptop desk. Working from home is the new reality for many across the country, but it can be hard to stay productive with all the temptations and distractions at home, which is why sorting out your workspace is so important. One product that can help create an optimal work-from-home experience is a lap desk. Whether you want a little more height at your kitchen table, or a cozy way to work on the couch or from your bed, a lap desk lets you bring your office with you wherever you sit. To help you find the right one for you, we rounded up a few options rated highly by the most enthusiastic reviewers on Amazon. Number 1. MaxSmart Portable Laptop Desk. This portable, travel and ergo laptop tray with retractable mousepad fits laptop up to 15.6-inch screen size. This laptop desk is slim. You can easily carry and store it into your laptop bag, briefcase, or backpack. Anti-slip surface keeps the laptop securely in place, and the retractable mouse pads works with either a left or right-handed person. You can use it when sitting on bed, sofa or traveling. This is a must-have for any laptop owner. Number 2. Seiko Adjustable Laptop Table. Seiko Adjustable Laptop Bed Table with storage drawer and book stand for eating, working, writing, gaming, drawing. Foldable and movable desk legs, easy to storage under the bed or sofa, perfect for use as bed tray and floor eating table. Extra large size laptop table, spacious desktop, elevates laptops up to 17 inches wide, with enough space for a mouse, book, cup, phone, tablet, etc. Number 3. Sofia Plus SAM Multitasking Lap Desk. The Sofia Plus SAM Multimedia Memory Foam Lap Desk is the ultimate workstation for anyone using a laptop, computer, tablet or smartphone. The lap desk allows you to work on a laptop or tablet, watch TV, write or read while staying alert to your phone for incoming calls and messages. It's the perfect portable desk for small spaces, so you can work from home or your kids can learn online in comfort. Number 4. HON Lap Desk. This HON LD6 Lap Desk may be helpful for you. You may use it as a laptop stand, work stand, reading desk, or for whatever situation you may need it. Comes with a mouse pad for computer users who prefer it, and a tablet holder, pen holder and phone holder that helps to save space. The wrist pad, which provides you with more comfort while working, and comes with dual bolster cushions that conform to your lap, providing more comfort and stability while keeping your laptop at a comfortable angle. Number 5. Sofia Plus SAM Bamboo Lap Desk. The perfect lap tray so you can get work done from the comfort of your bed. The lap tray allows you to use your 13 or 15 laptop and a computer mouse with plenty of room to spare. The tablet and smartphone slots allow you to easily see any incoming calls, messages, or emails. There is also a storage drawer in case you have extra pens or accessories.